Hello everyone, it's Tuesday from Ration Package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you our cosmetics pulp tray. Look at here. It is made by dry press from skincare pulp with black toner. And as you can see, it is very rough in the surface. In addition, there is a groove to press the product, and it is have a good holding effect in the product, including the shape of the pulp tray, which is molded by our mold. It doesn't need too extra cost to make. And our product has achieved zero pollution, zero addition, and zero emission in the production process. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled. Truly achieve the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. And our products have a series of certificates, for example, those FDA and ISO 9001. If you are interested with our products, welcome to contact with us to get a free sample. We will provide a satisfactory service for you. Thank you for your watch. Bye.